Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss. So we just passed a few persons there. They seem to be BPO workers. I guess they're finishing their shift. And I know you've seen the title as well. What we're doing. We're doing a night drive. Haven't done one in a while. So it's a night drive with Rush. So it's approximately 1:30 a.m. Alright, so it's approximately 1:30 a.m. So we know the curfew, the nightly curfew now starts at 9 p.m. And today is November 25th. So just giving you guys some context. Due to the curfew, the road is basically completely empty. We just came through New Kingston just now, and we're heading in the direction of Tree. So, end up being on the road this late. So I'm saying, might as well allow you guys to see, what the road is like at this time in the morning, because I know for about 9 months now, most persons haven't been on the road this late due to, curfew restrictions. So just wanted to show you guys just a glimpse of what the road is like. Not much to see because most vehicles on the road are either transporting staff member, especially persons from the BPO. Security forces is on the road as well, and other persons that are exempt from the curfew restrictions. I am on the road because I'm also exempt from the curfew restrictions, so end up being on the road this late. So just wanted you guys to get a glimpse of what it's like. So stay tuned guys, leave your comment. I've done night drives before. You can check the channel, you'll see them. I haven't done one in a while. I haven't done one this late as well. But just wanted you guys to see what's happening. So we're on Trafalgar Road, heading the intersection of Hope Road and Trafalgar. Devon House is on the right as well. We will take the left right here, heading to the direction of Tree. Alright guys, so leave your comments. I guess the big question is, are persons adhering to the curfew restrictions? I think at this late they are, but for example when it starts at 9 p.m. what I notice, 9 p.m, 9:30, even 10 o'clock, the road still is a bit busy. But yeah, curfew has been around for probably 7, 8, 9 months now. So we've been living with curfews for a while. So we're approaching Tree. I know the camera may be a little bit dark because it's night, but hoping you guys can still see a glimpse of the surrounding areas. And as I go along, I'll let you guys know where we are as well. So we're almost at the Tree clock. We're passing the Clock Tower Plaza right now. So we came in from New Kingston. We're on Knutsford Boulevard. We came up on Trafalgar. We came down on Hope Road. We're now passing through the center of Tree. Basically no one is here. You may see 1 or 2 cars, but I guess they're having their reasons to be on the road. Other than essential workers and exempted workers, really there shouldn't be anyone on the road. What I'll do, being that I'm in Tree, that's York Plaza and York Pharmacy over there, what I'll do is just to do a quick drive around the block, around Transport Center side, so you guys can see from that end as well, and then I basically end the video because it's not much to see guys, but as I usually do, I try to show you guys as much of what's happening as possible. So just wanted to share this as well. Guys, can let me know in the comments if you want to see more night drives, not only at curfew time, but you know, at regular hours. I know some persons like the night drive. As I said, I've done a few. Alright, so I'll take you guys around the block, and then we basically, you know, end the video there. Not much to see, but just showing you guys a glimpse of half a tree at 1:30 in the morning in COVID restrictions, curfew restrictions. As I said, I may see 1 and 2 persons on the road. Somebody in full black just crossed. And yes, guys, definitely my safety is always first. My safety is always paramount. So that's always top on my list. And if you know you guys happen to be on the road this late for whatever purposes, whatever emergencies, you know, just ensure that you're safe and you're taking the necessary precautions as well. I know you can never be too safe, but being extra cautious is important as well. So we just passed the transport center. We're now on Eastwood Park Road. At point the video will be a bit dark. Apologies there. So we will go up Raymore Road. And then we'll go back onto Constant Spring Road. And again, guys, remember to leave your comments in terms of what you think about, you know, the whole curfew situation. I know the curfew will be extended throughout the Christmas season, straight back to next year. And just let me know what you guys think about persons adhering to curfews. We know, you know, there's news circulating about a lot of house parties, because when it's a house party or a villa party, it's more secret, and because it's inside, the noise can be contained. But we see where sometimes there's still a lot of persons, you know, at those complexes, you know, doing their thing, you know, mixing and mingling. So we're passing the transport center right now on the right. I know the camera doesn't do very good justice. We're just working with what we have. So this is halfway tree at night during curfew. You know, so much areas on the road has been dug up. You just have to know where to drive. Alright, guys, so leave your comments, like the video, share the video. And if for whatever reason this is another video you have watched that you haven't subscribed to the channel, definitely consider subscribing. So just turn that subscribe button gray and be a part of the family. Turn on that post notification bell as well, so once I do an upload, you'll be notified. So thanks for clicking on this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll end the video anywhere here.